Feel like a
but because you'll be 3D printed. And so this is a technology, it's an amazing technology. I believe it will be very much useful if you have maybe a defective organ in your body, or you are lacking an organ or a part of your body. Well, maybe in the future it can be 3D printed. So there are numerous challenges which
I thought we could eat bread. I thought we could talk on darker days with our boots kicked off.